Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into the product research only course. Big inspiration to this was just, I've taken several Amazon FBA courses. A lot of people teaching the fundamentals of Amazon as a whole, understand the business. That's awesome. Definitely need programs like that, but I think it's exceptionally important to learn how to find the right products. Everyone's always stressing product research, myself included. But there's really no in-depth, sure there's hundreds of hours of stuff on YouTube, but just one location every step of the way, only product research. How do you find the products? How do you differentiate? How do you innovate, become the top dog in an industry and take over? That's what we're gonna be going over today. So this is really just the intro, things you could look forward to. Obviously, gonna be finding the products, what tools do you need, differentiating, innovating, finding products that no one else is seeing by using methods that no one else is using. I have one specifically that I'm using right now, finding all my best products that I've launched recently, and I'm gonna be sharing that with you during this course. So just the fact that you're watching this right now proves to me that you're just like me, right? It wasn't that long ago that I was right behind this camera on the other side, watching people, learning, taking courses, figuring out how to do this business. Now it's, I'm just like you, okay? So what do the people out there think of, investing in courses and programs, spending their time doing this instead of maybe going out with their friends and drinking? They look at getting a program or a course like this as an investment. What do they out there look at it like? A cost. Okay, so that's the difference, and we're all on the same boat here. If you didn't invest to get into this course, then you're investing with your time, okay? And you don't have to just invest with money. That's a common thing that everyone goes to, but you could be investing just with your time, learning this, figuring out the fundamentals, and then implementing those so you could actually get to the point where you're growing an online business. You have your freedom back. Everyone wants to make the next Apple, the next Microsoft, right? These billion-dollar tech companies, but why can't you just do something that you enjoy? Why can't you just do something that you like? What's wrong with that, right? If you can make $100,000 a year doing something you're floored with and are excited to do every day, or make $1 million a year doing something you hate, I'd much rather make the $100,000 a year. And I think a lot of you are on that same train. So I'm excited to have you guys in here, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.